Welcome back, my amazing learners. Today's story is entitled Pigs Will Be Pigs by Amy Axelrod. Now, this is a very fun story and it will be pretty short this time. The pigs were hungry again. Let's have a snack, suggested Mr. Pig. Dear, what do we have to eat? Mrs. Pig opened the refrigerator. Oh no, it's empty. And I just went shopping this morning. Who ate all the food? She asked. BJ, Dave, and Mike helped us, said the piglets. And Dad raided the refrigerator a few times. No problem, said Mr. Pig. Let's go out to eat. Great idea, said Mrs. Pig, except for one thing. What's that? Asked Mr. Pig. I didn't get to go to the bank and I don't have any money, she said. Do you? Mr. Pig opened his wallet. All I have is $1, and that's certainly not enough to feed the pigs. Children, how about you? Any money? The piglets shook their heads. No. Well, family, said Mrs. Pig, there's only one thing to do. Hunt for money. Let's start with the bedrooms upstairs, said Mr. Pig. He looked through all the closets and drawers. Look what I found, Mr. Pig said to Mrs. Pig. That lucky $2 bill that I was saving. It was in with my socks. Mrs. Pig searched the beds, looked under the carpet, in the night table, and in her jewelry box. Not too much here, she said to Mr. Pig. Mostly a lot of dust. But I did find 2 nickels, 5 pennies, and 1 quarter. Meanwhile, the piglets were busy hunting in their room. They found 6 shiny dimes at the bottom of their toy chest and $1 in the bookshelf. Then they sat down to count out their penny collection. They counted 200 pennies. Back downstairs, family, said Mr. Pig. Mrs. Pig and the piglets opened the front hall closet. They checked coat pockets and all of Mrs. Pig's pocketbooks. They found 4 quarters, 10 dimes, 1 50-cent piece, and 17 pennies. The pigs were on a roll. Mrs. Pig checked the laundry room and found a wet $5 bill. Mr. Pig looked through all the kitchen cupboards and pantry. Dear, he said to his wife, there's nothing in here. I'm going down to the basement. A few minutes later, Mr. Pig came running up from the basement, holding a $20 bill. Look what I found in my toolbox, he said. It's time to eat. Mrs. Pig put all of the money in a shoebox. She counted it several times while Mr. Pig drove the family to their favorite restaurant. When they arrived at the restaurant, the pigs said to the waitress, "We're the pigs and we're very hungry. What's the special?" So I am looking at the special now and I see guacamole enchiladas, delicious. And we know that the pigs said that they're very hungry, so they probably ordered a lot off of the menu. Let's continue. The pigs ordered 4 specials. They ate and ate until they could not eat anymore. They paid the bill, then left for home. Boy, am I stuffed, said Mr. Pig as he parked the car in the driveway. I can't button my pants. I know what you mean, said Mrs. Pig. I feel like I'm going to explode. We have belly aches, said the piglets. Just a few more steps and we'll be at the front door, said Mrs. Pig. Then we can all relax in our nice, clean, neat, cozy house. There's nothing like home sweet home. Your mother's right, kids, said Mr. Pig. There's nothing like home sweet home. The end. Now, students, I hope that you really enjoyed this short story about the pigs and their hunt for money and everything else. Now, right at the end of this storybook, you will see a little activity. Now, for those of you who are Americans watching this, you can go right ahead and do that. But for my Jamaican students, remember that we don't have nickels and dimes. We have 5 cents, 1 cent. We hardly use the 1 cent anymore, or what we call copper money. But we have $1, we have $20 coins, and we have notes or paper money. So you can try to do these activities and let me know if you liked this story. Comment below, hit the thumbs up, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.